Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable and set up accessibility menu on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now just tap on advanced settings and tap on accessibility button. Now from here, just tap on select actions. Now from here, just select an action for your accessibility button. For example, I will select color correction. Now as you can see, as I selected an action, the accessibility button has appeared on the side of the screen, just like that. And from here, you can also select multiple actions at the same time, just like that. Now if you go back, now from here, you can select the location of the accessibility button. Now as you can see, it is currently on, floating over the apps. Now if you select navigation bar, as you can see, the accessibility button is now located on the navigation bar. Just like that. And this is how you can enable and set up the accessibility button on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.